What is up, guys? Welcome back. We got 40 pro packs here. I'm gonna go ahead and rip some of them. Let's see what we start off with. Start off with the Jordan Hill 75D tackle, and not so good. Goes into some sets though. Seahawks gold player, Seahawks captain. I'll probably be doing the captain sets because I would like to do my master again this year. Let's see. Texans away. Darren Keaton. Gus Bradley. Brett Hundley, I think he's got good speed. 85 speed. Alright, let's keep going. Robert Herron. Dave Fulcott. Taj Boyd, I believe he just got cut actually. I believe the Browns or the Steelers. Someone of them cut him. I know that. Darnell Dockett. 49ers captain set. Oh yeah, he just switched this year to the Niners. At least they got one good player. They lost a lot of players this year. Patrick Willis, Justin Smith, Chris Borland, and then Allen Smith's gonna be out for who knows how long. Philly needs to keep his head up out of that fucking whatever he's in. He's stupid. He needs to stop doing dumb things. Derek Marks. I already got him, I believe. Daquan Jones, Darius Slimming. Nobody. Jari Evans. He's only a 75? Why is he only a 75? What the fuck? That's stupid. I bet you this guy has decent speed. Yeah, 89 speed. Not bad. John Harbaugh, Stephen Ridley. He's probably got good trucking. 91 trucking, of course. I didn't know he signed with the Jets. Huh. That's cool. Actually, that sucks because I hate the Jets. Mike McCarthy. Colt McCoy. Hook 'em horns, baby. Darius Webb. 89 speed. 84 man, not bad. He hasn't been the same since he tore his ACL a couple of years back. BJ Daniels, I think he's got good speed. I think I looked it up the last video. Yeah, 83 speed. David Fales. Alright. Texans away. Jerick McKinnon. 90, damn. 94 speed. 93, damn. I might be using him. Ooh, got another one. Austin Pettis. 84 speed. Eesh, really slow. Quint Porter. Johnson. Chip Kelly. Major Wright. I think he's got good hit power. 87 hit power, not bad. We got another one. Derek Coleman, fullback. 78 run block. I'll probably start him. Marquise Goodwin, good speed. 95 speed. Silver gem right there. Queron Pratt. I don't know if I can say that. Rams Stadium. Kerry Wynn. Let's see. Jake Knott. Mac McGloin. Logan Mankins. Ooh. 83, baby. This pass block is terrible. Yeesh. Ooh, Peppers, baby. We got Peppers. Let's compare him to see what I got right now. Ooh, Anthony Barr, though. Yeah, he's a lot slower. Yeah, I'm going to keep Barr. Probably sell Peppers. Let's keep going. Bam. Dolphins jerseys. I think I already had that, but whatever. I was just making sure. Double check, I guess. Fuck yeah. Marty Dawson, week 2, top game. Fuck yeah. I'll take that any day. Marlon Brown, I believe he's 6'4", 6'5". Damn. Jim, I don't know. Tom Sula? I don't know. I don't care. Let's keep going. Eagles offense, Sav Roca, Marquise Gray, and we get a Vic. Cool, I need a quarterback. Perfect. And let's see how many packs we got left. 7 more packs. Alright, we got Teron Armstead, Nissan Stadium. Comment what the name used to be for the Titan Stadium. I do not remember. I want to say it was LMP Field. Not 100% sure though. I don't remember. Kellen Moore, former Boise State quarterback. Damn. He's got good accuracy, he just doesn't have an arm. If he had a little bit more throw power, he'd be a better quarterback. Dolphins away. Ooh, there's Joe Philbin. I don't know how I feel about him. Yeah, I think they might be getting rid of him. If they don't make the playoffs this year, which I would not disagree with. 96 trucking, Irie again. And let's see what we get here. Here's Cole. Ooh, nice. Good backup to Sherman. 90 speed so he can keep up. Play rec's a little low, but I ain't tripping about that. Well, I ain't trying to promote him yet. I'll put him in the lineup accordingly. Alright. Let's go to the next pack. So if we get an elite, maybe. I would love an elite during this. I got one last time, so I'm not complaining, but would like to get an elite here. 91 speed, nice. Well, I guess I can got the DeMarty Dawson collectibles in elite, but it's not the same. Matt Hazel. Slope. 88 speed. Oh, this far in the game at least. Ooh, we get a Mark Sanchez. His stats aren't terrible. Ooh, you get another Bruce Carter. I think he's got good, 85 speed, 91 hit power. I think he's got good zone coverage on top of that. Did I pass it? No. It's somewhere right here. Or I must have passed it. Shit. Oh, there it is. 71. Oh, wow. The zone's kind of low. Devontae Davis. Let's open our next pack. Gillette Stadium. Aaron Lynch. Yeah. Alright, guys. Well, that's going to do it for this pack opening. Didn't pull any elites. Maybe in the next 20. Alright, and this is Peep signing out. You guys have